No, 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 no.
No. We do one. We do
roleplay that you died in voice.
No. We do one round of absolutely no interaction with Discord, nothing, and then we go back to normal gameplay. No typing, no nothing. But you're allowed to jiggle. You're allowed to jiggle in game though, and signals. I think it's 5 up. Oh, this is actually so bad. This is so bad. A fucking three-way tie. Look at the tasks. Nobody's doing shit. I'm so done. Why, Jesse? You're gonna press it again. I can't. They're gonna give Atticus out. A two-way tie, dude! No way they click it again. Five, 4. Oh no. Vaticus is done here. Vaticus is done. They got him. What?
That was the funniest
shit!
Yeah, I agree.
I need to go pee.
Why did you rush
Every
yourself?
time the bell sounded and the meeting was gone,
Me too, dude.
I can't.
Jesse, I thought it was you. Did this radio silence in
You guys blame
I
Moxie.
was so sure it was Jesse though.
And you guys blame Moxie for it.
time, dude. I saw him do it too.
Oh my god, the radio silence.
That was
We got
so.
one more,
Oh
please.
my
That was so
God.
good.
Yeah, let's do it again. Let's do it again, guys.
I'm
I
going
think,
with
listen,
One more,
we
one
can
more.
actually
Wait,
do
one more,
it.
one
Pay more
Max,
attention.
Max,
Yeah, I
don't
think
feel
if we
close,
actually
don't
take the
feel
first
close,
like 3
okay?
rounds serious, we
Yeah,
can win.
one more.
Fuck no.
Oh my god.
Okay, one more chat. Oh no. They're gonna do lights here. Oh no, they're gonna vote me off. No. Who went early last round? Oh no. Okay, dude. Why would I report a single kill? Why would I do this? What? Who thinks this way? Two-way tie! Oh no. This is a disaster. I mean, look at the task. Nobody's doing shit. They saw him. They saw him out the vent. Who are gonna get? Who are they gonna tell? Look at the button, I think. Pause chat. What is that? They're blocking the votes, dude! They're blocking the votes! It's red and orange, dude. Bun. Oh no. They're gonna double kill here. Oh my god! They can't. Wait! They fucked up! They know it's red. That's one out of two! Not that's far. Not over yet. Not GG yet. We're almost there, boys. They know who it is. Why is he muted? Because we're doing a game muted right now. We're trying a game without talking. There's no way to get this. Lights are gonna go down. Yeah, I knew it. Lights are down. Moxie's dead. 3, 2, 1. No, report too fast. Oh no. Oh no. Isn't it?
Let's
Jesse, where's the double kill, man?
We gotta do more of these. We gotta do more.
No, we're doing normal.
Normal.
Game.
One more.
Yeah,
All right,
lose-
let's.
I thought xQc self-reported, bro.
Dude, guys, why would I
hyperbolic
self-report
fucking time
one
game,
kill?